We're at 3790 Weatherstone Circle. This is in Pensacola off of Gulf Beach Highway. We're entering into the front door here. So we're coming into our living area and dining area. We have laminate flooring throughout part of the home and then carpeting throughout the rest of the home. In this living area and dining area, we have vaulted ceilings, so we have a ledge there that's great for decorating. Could put Christmas lights there. Continuing on through the home, going through our formal dining area, we're going to come to a hallway here. On our right is our washer and dryer, our laundry room, and then our one-car garage access. Continuing on, next on the right is a pantry, and then here is our kitchen. We have a very good sized galley kitchen. All appliances are stainless steel and lots of good cabinet space. Continuing on down the hallway, our first right is going to be bedroom number 1. So this is guest bedroom. So this is on the right side of the home. Has a good sized closet and then carpeting in the bedrooms. Continuing on, our next stop is our guest bathroom. So this is the hall bathroom, nice tub shower combo, and then we have a good sized vanity for storage. Continuing on, our next turn will be the master. So the master is the only bedroom on the left side of the home. We have tray ceilings in the master, and then we have a good walk-in closet as well, and then we have the attached ensuite. So we have a double sink vanity, and then a garden tub over there. And we'll show you the walk-in closet. It's a very good sized walk-in closet. Goes all the way and turns. So very good size. Coming back out now. We'll continue on down the hallway. Coming back out to the hall. Going down, you can see our back door. But first we're going to show you the last bedroom. So this is bedroom number 3. So this is on the back side of the home. Good French doors to our closet space. Continuing on, we're passing a linen closet at the end of the hallway, and we're coming to our backyard. So we have this covered patio area, and then we have the enclosed backyard. It wraps around all 3 sides of the home. So very good size. We'll turn around here and show you the patio. And then on the side of the home, we have gates. But on this side, we have the storage shed. And then here is that other side of the yard. Heading back inside now, this is 3790 Weatherstone Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.